CertiK is delighted to announce the release of Security Leaderboard 360. The Security Leaderboard is an integrated, end-to-end security solution for the Web3 community and investors. Our new and improved Skynet modules give the community and investors a 360-degree view of project insights that are important to them. The Skynet Trust Score provides a view of the health of a project based on the security and community and market metrics. This score, along with the Cohort Analysis Panel, helps users contextualize the risk of a project against comparable projects. CertiK's Code Audit History module publishes findings from a project's audit report. The new View Findings option makes it quicker to retrieve audit findings without having to parse through the full report. The Governance and Autonomy module identifies centralization risks and simplifies your research on token governance, comparisons, and lifespan, among other features. CertiK has also included a new filtering option that allows you to select the ecosystem and category of the project you want to view. Collecting due diligence has never been easier with CertiK's Security Leaderboard 360. Visit CertiK.com and explore the updates today.